Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Advocacy with Ali. Today we have a special guest from Madras High Court, Advocate Muhammad Raja. He has been practicing in Madras High Court from past 10 years. Today we will have his knowledge and experience which will be shared with us with respect to two reasonings provided by the Supreme Court with respect to Arnab Goswami case. Deprivation for a single day is a day too many. Courts must ensure that criminal law does not become a weapon for selective harassment of citizens. I repeat, criminal law does not become a weapon for selective harassment of citizens. In the same case and on the same day, D.Y. Chandrachud has stated that liberty is not a gift for few. Supreme Court directs High Courts, District Courts to monitor pendency of bail applications. So these are the two reasonings which were put forth before Arnab Goswami case by the Supreme Court. And based on these two reasonings, today we will have a discussion with Advocate Muhammad Rajas.
We all are expecting to save our constitution and independent judiciary. Now, our judicial system was determined as pressure. Last 10 years, it is a witnesses for the press conference held by the Honorable Supreme Court judges. The entire nation has been witness. Therefore, we want to protect the citizens' rights before the courts as well as the apex courts. The junior level as well as the senior most persons was coordinate and protect all citizens' rights and our democracy also. Even in the Arnav Goswami, the 1 day or 2 day, the Supreme Court was worried about him. This is the observation only applicable for the elites people. That's my argument. Only applicable for the elites peoples. But we uh, we would develop this observation would follow the all courts. Therefore, the your second scenario was observation made by the Justice Chandrachud. It's not a gift for few peoples. He was observed the very same order and given a certain direction to the subordinate courts as well as the High Court to close all bail application within a short time. This observation. Nowadays, this observation is keep quiet of this observation. Normally, the Madras High Court, the preventive detention order has been passed the state government, some other elements. This order was challenged before the habeas corpus petition before the High Court. These some judges have some mindset after 6 months or 7 months only hear the matter. After 6 months, they hear the matter by the honorable judges. Within a minute, they set aside the preventive detention order and set at liberty of the persons who where the 6 months his personal liberty was behind the bars. So this scenario has been applicable only for the elites peoples, not for the common citizen. It is arguments we are expecting this observation squarely applicable to all is not disputed. Even the UAPA cases, like as the UAPA cases. Similarly, the UAPA case has been invoking against certain community or certain organizations. The subordinate from the subordinate to apex court, even just hear the matter with regard to the UAPA, simply adjourn the matter for a month or 2 months or 3 months.
So you mean to say that when it comes to UAPA or any other particular community or caste or any people, these principles such as the liberty or the equality questions will not arise. But when it comes to a particular sector, particular elite community, these reasonings will come out,
Yes,
and the suo
affect,
moto cases are not being
don't
taken into consideration.
the, we expecting the apex code has been shown the same speed to other peoples.
Okay.
Yeah, we are expecting. Therefore, this one the way as well as the AP Shah, Justice AP Shah and Deepak Gupta raised the voice. The selecting process is a uh, undemocratic. It is absolutely tarnish the image of our judicial system. Therefore, this judgment is a very healthy discussion. Is so sound, but it may apply to all common citizens. We are expecting, but it's not done.
So the other way, if we
Yeah,
see from the other angle, these two reasonings, the person who has got the benefit of it has been already granted. Now the people further this issue will be benefited by these two principles, probably. But the people who have been already decaying in the jails for decades, have not got this same equation of liberty and equality and the principles which are subjected to the elite groups,
yeah.
isn't it?
Yes, yes. Actually, every case is a different fact. Therefore, this
This this exactly the defense has been taken by the judges, that the cases differ. Every case has a every different circumstance and different situation. So the same equation and the same reasonings cannot be applied to all. To
yeah.
those, so when the judges take such defense, how are we going to, and how or
Therefore,
any
this is
counsel is
Chandrachud
going to
given
defend it?
certain direction to the subordinate court as well as the High Court. The same observation may applicable to all. It's not gift for few members. It's all common citizen. So this judgment is may useful to all common citizens behind the bars for a years. uh, myself also using these judgments for last day on bail applications. This observation, because the mainly observation made by this Santara suit is for last 10 years the central government was using a criminal law against all sections of people who were in the fight against the central government. The criminal law has been misused against those persons, so that may be curtailed, that may given some full stop by the Justice Sandra Sud through this judgment. So
Okay,
we
so
are welcoming.
though Arnab Goswami has benefited by
Yes,
this, even though he is in the elite group,
yes, yes,
but
yes.
the people after this issue, after this reasonings, people will get a benefit of it,
Surely, surely.
isn't it?
Yes,
Though the case is different, though the case has become one of the leading or landmark cases right now, and because of this case, the people who are already decaying in the jails will be benefiting, and they may get a benefit of it, and they may come out, and also the people who are going to commit in future also get the benefit of this.
yes. But some decent boys also observation made by the city Kapan case against this judgment. It may be expecting, it may
Hmm.
expecting, because this judgment was handicapped for the chief justice as well as the other judges to entertain the city Kapan cases. So it may given some interpretations for different kind of interpretations against these judgments. Still now, this judgment was may useful to all criminal lawyers for getting the bail and using this observation for misusing the criminal law as a weapon against those community or those organizations. It may useful to stop. Let's stop the misusing of the state government.
Correct. Correct. So how do you see the UAPA Act, which has been highly misused, and people are staying behind the bars, and there has been no suo moto action from the Supreme Court or any court for that matter, and the cases which are pending under the UAPA are being delayed, and they have been getting number of dates, but there have been no hearings or no trials. How do you see those cases with respect to these two reasonings? Whether the people who have been arrested under the UAPA will be able to get benefit of these two reasonings, which are available to us under the Arnab Goswami case.
Actually, generally the UAPA case having certain bars, sections for 45, I think so, section 45 of granting of bail. Uh, is a prima facie satisfied by this court only granting the bail in UAP cases. The prima facie certification is entirely different for CRPC penal provisions as well as the UAPA cases. But now the UAPA has been misused by the central government against so many persons. Because normally, uh, even some murder has been happened, immediately the UAPA has been invoked, and that case may be handed over to the NIA. It's the particular section of peoples like as Muslim, Dalits, and Adivasis. But other communities, the same crime has been happened, but even they are prosecuting under the penal provisions, normal IPC provisions. This discrimination was happening. The central government having some mindset and trying to push their own mindset before the Supreme Court also. Even in EAPA cases, bail cases before the High Court as well as the Supreme Court, the central government expressing their views involving the Muslims tagged as a terrorist, involving a Dalit tagged as a Naxal, urban Naxals, involving a Adivasi tagged as a Naxals. So their mindset was thrown to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court also replicate the same mindset of the central government. This is a problem. Before hearing of the bail application, the Supreme Court has some mindset and simply adjourn the matter for years ago. The all EAPA cases, the judges have some mindset. Even they may link to the terrorists, they may link to the Naxal Urban, they may link to the Naxals. Therefore, not even ready to hear the merits of the cases. So, without any evidence, concrete evidence, without committing any offense, the merely having some books in my house, they are arrested and remanded under UAP Act. They are in jail for years ago, but not even hear the matter, bail matter before the lower court as well as the high court as well as the affects court because of their mindset. The central government having some mindset that people's zones tagged as a terrorist as well as the Naxals, urban Naxals before the Supreme Court. The same mindset was replicated by the Supreme Court. Is a very big problem to hear the bail matters on merits.
So
Even a single day the affects court hear the bail matters on merits, immediately get this type of order by the common peoples also.
So are you trying to say that the central government and the Supreme Courts are nothing but one and they are facing the same situations and central government is just oh sorry, the
See,
Supreme Court is
this
just
species was arises because the so many cases simply urgent for a month or years ago it was bending. I am not confirmed because this discrimination was
because the
happened.
situations and the circumstances
Yes,
which we are observing are
yes, we are
replicating that
observing
the central
even the central
government's will
government.
is being implemented by the Supreme Court.
Yes, even in central government, even every cases of UAPA as well as the NA cases exposing exposing some names, even as a Muslim, as a terrorist, then urban access, their mindset was exposing before the Supreme Court. Therefore, the Supreme Court was handicapped to hear the matter. This mindset is a TAN is the image of the independence of the judiciary.
Independency.
Our,
Yes.
it is our feeling because even in a Hadia case, you know well the Hadia case, the personal liberty with the respect for
Right.
the personal liberty of the case. Even the habeas corpus, the Hadia was detained under some custody. The habeas corpus was filed by the husband of the Hadia. Not even the Supreme Court was ready to hear the voice of Hadia for 6 months.
It's
how
a
this
clear
yes,
violation of
how the Supreme
right to be
Court,
heard.
he was the age above the 21 years. He was a medical practitioner. He was a sound mind. He was sound mind. But the Supreme Court was 6 months kept quiet to hear the voice of Hadia.
Even she has a right to be heard, audi alteram partem.
Yes, even the habeas corpus petition, the single day the detainee has must be produced before the Supreme Court and hear the matter and close it. But the Hadia's case, the long years, 1 years, we are fighting the 1 years. The Hadia was produced before the court and hear the voice. It's a very difficult to get the justice from the affects court for by the common people. Arnab is very easy to get this type of judgment within a single day, but common people uh, very difficult to approach the affects court as well as the unable get it this type of the judgment. It's a very
So as we all say, like the justice is bought and not it is fought,
yes, yes.
isn't it?
But
It will not apply in all the cases,
yeah,
but exceptional cases.
yes, exceptional cases. So these exceptional cases create some mindset and create some suspicious about the judiciary.
Correct, correct.
We
So
are
these
part of
exceptions only bring the biased and the ulterior motives of particular decisions and judgments. So, sir, I would like to bring
we also
to the
advocate as a part
people,
of.
yes, like I would like to bring to the notice of the people who are of the viewers of this show that whenever there are, we have seen many cases where people stay in the jails for many years. Very recently, we have heard one acquittal. He was youth when he entered into jail, and when he walked out from the jail, acquitted from the jail, around 25 years to 30 years, he spent his life in the jail. So, are there any claims or are there any compensation for which they will be compensated because they have they have left their life completely? They have been deprived of their personal liberty. All the allegations which were made upon them went false. Now they are acquitted, acquitted by the superior courts. But what about those days which they have spent in the jails? Whether the state or the central or the Supreme Courts or any of the courts for that matter who have decided in these matters will be held responsible or will be compensated to these people? Are there any provisions or anything something like that so that these people which what they
You
have spent
get
their lives they
you
should
get
be
the honorable
recompensated?
acquittal. The honorable acquittal is entirely different from other acquittal. You get the honorable acquittal, you have right to seek the compensation from the state government for claim the damages. But all the acquittals based on the species. Uh, Therefore, the honorable acquittal is a very few cases alone. Even he was attached to any government officers, he was attached to any central government office bearers, they get the honorable acquittal because of their service may affect their own service. So all common citizen only by acquitted in our judicial system, because it may change. You get the honorable acquittal from the subordinate court. You may you have right to seek the compensation from the government. But we are trying to so many lawyers, the criminal lawyers as well as the eminent lawyer like as the Balans are as a practicing criminal lawyer at Bangalore. Here is the Bhavani Mohan. So many lawyers we are trying to get some damage or claiming from the state government. But if impossible, we are work out work out and develop the interpretations of criminal laws. It may in future we get it.
Right, right, sir. So, as quote again goes, liberty is not a gift for few. It
Yes.
should be applicable and it should be provided to all the citizens of this country without having any discrimination based on caste, creed, sex, or whatsoever it may be. But still, we could see and we could observe there are many things which are going beyond the control and beyond the aspirations which we have. So, in such circumstances, what would you like to draw a conclusion to our viewers today?
Yes, this. this observation liberty uh, is not gift for few members. So the Justice Chandrasud feels about himself. Justice gets some few members alone from the apex court as well as some court. Therefore, Justice Chandrasud quoted this observation in their own judgment and given certain direction to the subordinate court as well as the high court. So judges also have some feel. People may feel the liberty is a gift for some few members, because we are talking about Arnab alone get the order, yes, Adani and Ambani alone get the order from the High Court or Supreme Court, but the common people are unable to get it. That's a discussion is going to a healthy discussion is going up to Supreme Court. The Supreme Court have some mindset and given some such type of the observation is so good. This observation is we are facing the so many problems. Even is the Dabli Jamaat issue, you know very well. The entire
Yes,
country,
yes,
3,000
yes.
people has been detained, the foreigners. So actually the pandemic situation, some allegations may created by the media against the Blue Jamaat members. Therefore, the central government given some circular. The same circular, the all state government was arrested the W Jamaat members without any committing any offense. But this W Jamaat issue still not closed by the apex court as well as some many high courts. Even I file so many petitions before the high court for bail application as well as the habeas corpus petition for shifting the jail from the special camp, because they are foreigners, they have some certain rights. They have also a right of liberty, but unable to get it, any remedy from the anywhere in India except a few courts. So this personal liberty may gift for few, it is a fact. Therefore, the Justice Chandrasud was observed his judgment is not healthy for our democracy or independent judiciary system. Therefore, given certain direction, it's not good for few members. It is common to all. This is the Article 14. The right to equality is spoken for 1950s itself onwards. But nowadays, Justice Chandrasud was recollect the Article 14 and the spirit of Article 14 and impliedly given certain direction through this judgment. So this judgment is very useful to this observation is very useful to all cases. The all common citizens may get benefited this judgment.
So this is
Therefore,
understood
you
that
quoted Arnab may
D.Y.
useful
Chandrachud.
to Arnab may useful to many peoples.
Many people. Exactly, exactly. Arnab may useful to many people. And it is also understood that D.Y. Chandrachud, justice, or whatever he has quoted, justice is not for few. Uh, his reasonings and his equation itself is sufficient to confirm that there has been a deprivation of equality,
Yes.
isn't it? So, based on these arguments and based on these reasonings, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud has very much clarified that even though in any of the courts, immaterial of High Court or Supreme Court or whatsoever, district courts or local level courts, all courts are bound by this constitution and they have to implement and they have to enforce only within the parameters and framework of constitution.
Yes.
So
All lawyers will
today,
try to
yes,
save our constitution,
constitution, yes,
our independent judiciary.
correct.
We
So
also
today
part of
we,
it.
yes, exactly. We are also part of it, and we are also a guardians to the some extent, may not be a full extent, but some extent. Since the Supreme Court is a full and fundamental guardian of the Constitution, we are all are depend upon the Constitution when it comes to guardianship of Supreme Court. Because if Supreme Court does not safeguard the interest of the people, then the big question will arise whether are we in the democratic country or any other country.
Yeah.
So coming to the conclusion of this show today, I would like to thank all my viewers and also I would like to thank Raja Muhammad Sahab Advocate, for giving your precious time and coming on our show. It will definitely be an enlightening discussion, and this will definitely benefit the people at large.